Hey, what's going on? It is pouring down rain. I am out here at the Annandale Falls, and I had to drop my daughter Blakely off at a birthday party that's out here at the hidden hilltop just before Londonderry. So I thought I'd go back to the Annandale Falls. Where I was here before. If you want to see that, it's over here. Pop out a card. Didn't really spend that much time because it was one of several falls when I started doing this. So I want to come back and I wanted to kind of check it out a little closer and maybe up top and see that there's a little more to it from a couple different angles. So I'm gonna grab onto the rope and we'll make our way down. Okay, made it down. I did it one-handed. It's steep, but it's doable. I carried the GoPro and filmed it as you saw, so it's a quick hike. It's not super hard. I mean, the roots make kind of stepping spots for you. And here we are at the falls. Just climbed back up the rope, and I think I got some good shots. I'm looking forward to seeing them. Look at that. Now we're gonna explore. You and me are gonna see what's at the top of the Annandale Falls, because I know I'm not the first, but many people, you know, go for the main attraction and they go home. So the little road that you park on, if you keep walking down it instead of going to the rope, you can get to the top of the falls. There's a trail here. That's pretty nice up here. You know, the falls is a pretty short trek as it is, so it's worthwhile to go the extra little bit. See the top, see the little tributary falls. It looks like the rain's starting to let off. I still got a little bit of time. I think I might go get my extra long selfie stick and get like a pseudo drone shot from the top of the falls. So I'm gonna get some B-roll from this area, and then I'm gonna get my other selfie stick and my 360 camera and see if I can get something cool from there. Alrighty. I'm soaked, but I had a blast. And that's one thing about getting out here in the rain. You don't care if you get wet down by the falls. And even though it's early fall, the water on the waterfall was still, compared to the water in the sky, was pretty warm. So I had a great time. Hey, follow me on Facebook if you don't already. It's facebook.com/New Scotland. Thanks for tagging along, guys. See you in the next one.